Hey amigos! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fantastic treat for you. We're going to uncover some unknown facts about a delicious Spanish dish that you might not have heard of before, Pipirrana. But first, let's briefly talk about what Pipirrana is. Pipirrana is a traditional Spanish salad hailing from the region of Andalusia. It's a refreshingly vibrant and healthy dish that's perfect for the hot summer months. Now, let's dive into those fascinating facts. Origins of Pipirrana. Pipirrana's history dates back centuries. It's said to have Moorish origins and was influenced by the culinary traditions of the Moors who once inhabited Spain. Over the years, it has evolved into the beloved Andalusian salad we know today. The name, Pipirrana. You might be wondering where this name comes from. Well, it's believed to have originated from the Spanish word, pipi, which means pepper, and rana, which means frog. But don't worry, there are no frogs involved. It's just a fun and unique name for this delicious salad. Versatility of Pipirrana. The incredible versatility of Pipirrana. While there's a traditional recipe, one of the most exciting things about Pipirrana is that it's highly adaptable. You can use various vegetables, such as tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, and onions, and even add protein like tuna or hard-boiled eggs to make it a heartier meal. Popularity in summer festivals. In Andalusia, Pipirrana is a staple dish during summer festivals and celebrations. It's a go-to dish for picnics and beach outings, thanks to its refreshing and hydrating qualities. Health benefits of Pipirrana. This salad is not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. It's packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber from fresh vegetables, making it an excellent choice for a healthy diet. Ingredient freshness is key. One of the secrets to making a fantastic Pipirrana is using the freshest ingredients possible. In Andalusia, it's common for people to source their vegetables from local markets or even grow them in their own gardens to ensure the best taste and quality. Spices and seasonings. While Pipirrana is known for its fresh ingredients, it's equally renowned for its simple yet flavorful seasonings. Olive oil, vinegar, salt, and pepper are the staples that enhance the taste. It's all about letting the natural flavors shine through. A refreshing summer staple. In the scorching Andalusian summers, Pipirrana isn't just a dish, it's a way of life. Many families have their own secret recipes that have been passed down through generations, making it a cherished part of their cultural heritage. Variations of Pipirrana. While the classic recipe includes tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, and onions, there are regional variations throughout Spain. Some regions add potatoes or even oranges to create unique flavors and textures, showcasing the culinary diversity within the country. The perfect side dish. Pipirrana is not just a main course. It's also a popular side dish to complement grilled meats, seafood, and other Spanish delicacies. Its ability to pair with various dishes makes it a versatile addition to any meal. International influence. While Pipirrana has deep roots in Spain, its popularity has spread worldwide, thanks to Spanish restaurants and food enthusiasts. It's not uncommon to find Pipirrana on the menus of tapas bars and Spanish restaurants outside of Spain, offering a taste of Andalusia to people around the globe. Pipirrana festivals. Some Andalusian towns and cities celebrate this beloved dish with dedicated Pipirrana festivals. These festivals feature cooking competitions, tastings, and lively cultural events, making them a must-visit for foodies and travelers looking to immerse themselves in Spanish cuisine and culture. Culinary influence of Andalusia. Andalusia, the region where Pipirrana originates, is known for its rich culinary traditions. Its influence can be seen in many Spanish dishes, and Pipirrana is no exception. The use of fresh ingredients and simple seasonings is a hallmark of Andalusian cuisine. The perfect summer recipe. Pipirrana is not just a dish, it's a culinary solution to beat the summer heat. The combination of fresh vegetables, olive oil, and vinegar provides a cooling and hydrating experience, making it the perfect recipe for sweltering summer days. There you have it, amigos y amigas, 5 unknown facts about Spanish Pipirrana. If you haven't tried this delightful Andalusian salad yet, I highly recommend giving it a shot. It's not only a burst of flavors but also a journey through history and culture. If you enjoyed learning about Pipirrana and want to explore more culinary adventures, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our exciting content.